Hopper just wants some attention from his sister while she watches Avatar: The Ways of the Wonders. Sunday morning dad breakfast. This is Dad's Southern Hash. It's a very popular item on the menu, and it's made without butter. Zero butter. Hi, it's Sunday. I'm only making a video because Dad looks cute. We're gonna run a couple of errands and drop Judy off at it. I won't say play date, hang out. Come show us what you got. Slay, sister.
So I have these shoes.
Love it,
that
ding.
match my top.
Love it,
and
ding.
this matches my top also. And this swimsuit that matches nothing.
Get ready with me. Me and Dad just
Get ready with me.
Yeah, we just dropped Bro off to hang with her friend in our little greens. And this is us trying to figure out, do we want to go home? Do we want to do something? Do we want to shop? What should we do, Dad?
Do you want to go to Prosper? Do you want to go
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
He did it.
Prosper.
Okay, here we go. We've started our Sunday errand journey, and look at these things. Is that not so cute? The Mickey ones, and it lights up. It's just great. We love Halloween. I don't think I'm gonna get it. It's a size small, but it's like a big people small, not like taller, you know? And I'm only 5'9", and so I don't think it would fit, but it would be cute for a jammy shirt. But isn't that cute? We're in the drive-thru of In-N-Out because every good dad needs a little protein-style hamburger. This dad right here, he's like so happy right now because my sister just called him for cooking tips. She was watching a Cooking with Dad and she wants to make what he made. What was it? Enchiladas?
The red enchiladas. Hi, Katie. I love you.
And then I'm
She's so sweet.
currently working on twisting this hair. I'm in a really grouchy mood because it's 3:30 and I'm starving.
Not funny.
Yes, Dad loves the, hold on. She dripped her hair, the water from her hair on you.
I was gonna say, it feels like slimy.
Do you dance party around Dad while he does dishes? You have peaches, my boy? Dad and I have never watched this, and we are about to watch it for the first time. Tell us what you think of it so that we keep watching it. And Dad made, oh, thank you, Netflix. Dad made this again.
Nice.
James in the joint page. That's quick. It's a blue sky. Hello, Kenzie looks cool today. I like your outfit. This is the whole movie. Okay, anyways, you look really cute.
Hello, boy.
Hello, besties, and a happy Monday afternoon to you. One thing to note for today, Dad just looked in the dryer and realized both of Kenzie's athletic clothes that she has to change into for her pre-athletics class are in the dryer, which means Kenzie's going to be a little disappointed in us for forgetting to put it in her backpack. That's my bad. I don't know what we're gonna go get up to today, but we certainly are. Okay, let's go. We're super nervous. It's our fault that she didn't have her gym clothes and she's coming out and Dad just goes, okay, she's happy. Not that Judy's ever mad or would scold us or anything like that.
No, if she gets in the car and she's like, it was so awful, it was hot, I'll be like, you were just smiling 30 seconds ago, where's that?
Good idea. Are you mad at us for your gym clothes?
Yes.
Oh God, what did you end up having to do?
I had to wear other people's clothes.
Okay.
Oh,
That's what I was hoping would happen. Come renew your Costco membership with me. Hi, little bro. Kenzie says she's just coming for the free samples.
You have your ID and all that.
I do. Dad's just coming for the food. Dad's first thing to put in his cart, toothpaste. Okay, chicas, we're back. So far we've got our mouths covered. Alicia, do you want me to pick you up one? This girl's got chicky naggy behavior right now. Hold on. Bro, show me what I did. Bro.
I make my own ranch.
This is really good ranch.
Show the camera what
I love this
show the camera what battle move I did that scared that little lady over there.
You're like...
I did a ninja move and I didn't realize there was a woman by me. Dears, I do always forget to make videos of what we get, but we're getting this. And Dad's loading the crap up of this stuff. Okay. Look at him go. Slay. Dad, I'm assuming you want, dear? The true reason we renewed our Costco membership has been revealed. Wow, that's actually amazing. Wait, everything comes with it? We're back. This is the extent of it all, okay? Love ya. We are all done. Dad is fabulous. We're ready for the apocalypse. Can you hear me? And if anybody needs to use the bathroom, come over. Oh, there was nothing. It was just girl stuff.
Now you come here. Okay.
This is just real table talk. This is what we do. So, are you hearing baby boy? I have a question. Do you like pink, blue, pink or blue best? We're talking about Sleeping Beauty.
I kind of like the pink better.
Isn't it funny? We eat tacos so often, and I guess everybody does when you have tacos, because everybody has different salsas and stuff in their fridge. Like taco night, everybody gets their own personal salsa or way that they make it.
Kenzie gets all the cheese and all the sour cream. We sacrifice for you.
Understanding.
I will give you. Say it again, Dee Dee. Say it.
You're not.
What were you saying? Just say it.
Remember.
Me and Dad about the dishes.
I don't know.
Dad, will you please tickle her if she doesn't say it?
No, stop.
I was saying, stop doing the dishes. I want to do the dishes. And he was
And
like,
I don't think
no,
that makes
don't
sense.
do the dishes. You
Because-
cook. And I'm like, but you need to go do the laundry.
But
we were just being so like,
I've done the dishes forever, and now he's on this new for the last few months dishes kick.
that part doesn't matter.
I want
What
to do
matters
that.
is Kenzie was
See,
saying.
you're doing it again.
Kenzie was saying, babe, you guys don't fight. You're like nicely saying to each other.
We're arguing over who gets to do the dishes
to help you.
I
I want to do the dishes to help you.
I want
and
to
she's
do
like,
it about
shut
myself.
up.
It's not our fault that we love each other so much, okay? Wait, Stanley's go in the dishwasher?
They can. This is the first time I washed hers the other night.
Dee look.
Were you putting that has to be washed tomorrow? Okay. That's.
I thought you said a platinum plus they were so great.
No, grease. It has a little hard time.
Okay.
I cook mine in olive oil, and then there's like a little bit of fat from the turkey in there, and so that has a little bit of a hard time. So just a gentle rinse of that is fine.
Dee, you got cheese.
Oh, sorry.
He's done. There was not a lot of dishes.
No, I'm done.
I'll hand wash that pan.
I'm seeing.
Have this for health and prosperity.
Yeah, Emmy wants me to try writing a new duet for Chad
The world's
and Taylor
cutest
in
brother and
School
sister
3.
ever. Good
She's
luck.
pretty bummed she got cut.
And father and daughter.
She does. She's a little crush.
The hungriest cat in town.
But
Look at how these two are spooning.
Yeah, well, some downstairs friends just-
Hello, Copper.
Actually, my name is
Did you know that if you constantly swallow the bacteria in your mouth, you'll get sick or something like that?
Or something like that.
What did you say, Dad? We're on our way to the dentist. Dad and Dee go to the dentist. But what you want to teach us some tooth facts?
Oh, good oral health. Bad oral health leads to other health like problems because you're constantly swallowing bacteria that's on your teeth.
So brush up,
And
right?
Yes.
Thank you, Dad, for this lesson. See you after the dentist. The dentist was great. We sparkled, we shined. Dad, give us a smile. Ding. We're going to Target now to do a little like Target stocking up. Hi, everyone. Do you guys want to play come along on Dad's Target trip? So Dad's looking at these Stanleys. We do love a good tan color. This one's fun. Go ahead, Dad.
What?
Dad said, do I
explain
notice when I put his pans down if they wobble?
I haven't bought a new nonstick pan in a while, and mine doesn't have this thick layer on the bottom.
Okay.
And so because I cook so often, they get like warped.
Treat yourself. It's on sale.
Wobble.
Dad said I'm a comedian today because I have so much energy. But I really don't. I was falling asleep at the Denny.
That's really pretty.
2, please.
Upgrade my stuff because
Dad wants to upgrade his pots and pans.
I cook too much.
You do.
So crap.
Put it in the basket. Put it in the basket, bro. Do you like it, sweetie pie?
I
Are you
love
sure?
it, yeah.
Okay, Rufus.
I don't like. I would buy this.
No, that looks like from when I was 20 or something.
No, Kafalon's great, but
But the
this
coloring
what I
is
deal
just
with,
so
is
tacky.
This, like
It's like all of our pots and pans, so no offense to all my, like, whatever that thing's called, color. Next cart thing, stocking up on me. Nunky's food, girlfriend.
All her snacks are on sale. Do they have
clearance? Make sure it's not expired.
No, they're not. They're probably like redoing the like
sweet thing. Hey, from Clorox.
Spend 50 or more and get $15.
I don't see that on the app, and I'm gonna go ahead and say that they lie. They leave these things up
Just
and they
like
don't forget. Dad's Mr. Clean for a minute. Hold on. So, Dad, a one thing of the COVID girls thing, but a 3-pack is $7.39 if you want to put.
They had this at Costco for like $8.
Okay, we'll get it there. Okay, so we got some cheese and heat sprays. We got some body washes. What else do we find before we run out of yellow?
Right down there.
Bath salts. Ew. Didi and Daddy use different shampoo and conditioners, and this is my conditioner. It literally smells like a donut on your head. Please go get it. Influencing you, please. So once in a gay moon, Didi likes to do like a little like backup stock up thing, so I'm not like feeling like I have to always be in need of something. So that's why we're doing this little stock up trip, okay? Also, I really want one of these.
Can I borrow your hair?
Sure, hold on. Dad got some peaches. I got some Bubby Bath and some hair products for our brow. Dad's got the shallots. And we've got our... Let me smell. Yeah, that's really spicy though. Usually I don't like that. So candles, $12.95. So girlfriends, we're gonna grab a couple. See you at home. Dad's first pick, my first pick, and then we're gonna get one more. Forgive me as your... let's look. Me and Dad just got three wick candles for $9 each.
In under 3 minutes.
Yeah, 9. Hello, my scrubby bubbies. I am scrubbed down. I just scrubbed my face. You would think, why is your hair fluffy and why aren't you dressed and ready for school pickup? Tonight we have Meet the Teacher at Bros School. It's like a cute thing they do. Basically, the parents go into each period classroom in order, like you're doing their schedule. It's like 6 minutes in each class, like you meet the teacher and you go over things like that. Sounds great. So I didn't want to get like fully glammed up because it's in an hour. And so if I got ready right now, I would feel like gross because it's like 108 out. So we're doing that. So I'm just going to school pickup like halfway done. Lefts. And you're a cute dog. You meow too much. Bruh. Come here, donkey. So anyway, we're gonna go get bro from school. And I think that's all I had to say. Yeah. Toodles. Check in. Dad he just missed my, yeah, you only heard me say goodbye. That's not cool, bro. Oh, I mean, man.
No, come here. We love to dance. Do, 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 do. Look at him doing his two-step.
Filming!
Dad's life story continues. Kenzie, your hair looks great. She's getting ready for dance. And Dad and me will go to meet the teacher. I'm going with like a dry look because I don't feel like doing my hair right now. Do we like? Hello, Croc babies. Welcome to Candid Didi Cam. Shit, bang! I'm writing Kenzie's name. I'm the first one ready for Meet the Teacher. So I'm writing Kenzie's name. Didi, will you give me a sparkle effect, please? I'm writing Kenzie's name on my hand while I wait for Dad to get ready. Bro is not going to meet the teacher. She's going to her dance class so she could study her dances. Anything you want to say about that?
No!
Show your cute dance outfit. Anything you want to tell the camera about your life right now?
Me and my friends made our own book club.
What's hot?
And I have a hip hop routine.
Ooh. Okay. Are you gonna be embarrassed if they're gonna meet the teacher and I go like this? They're like, oh, and who's your little daughter? Where? And I go like this. I love Kenzie. And then also, what if your teachers are like, oh, nice to meet you. Where's your wife? What will I do? I'll be like, he's right there with the beard, the one with the beard.
Excuse me? No, take that off.
I'll wipe it off.
No.
You're mean, Kenzie. She's making me take it off because that's sus embarrassing. Look at those eyelashes. You make the mess, you clean the mess. Thanks. Dad and me just finished going through Kenzie's whole schedule. Her teachers are amazing. Why didn't they have teachers like that when we were in middle school? Amazing. They're great. Okay, see ya. We're just out on a walk, okay? We're sighing. We're just having a good time. Hi, Kenzie. Well, when somebody gets in our way, we sigh, okay?
Come see.
Now
Come see. I made a rock.
Okay.
Dad, we're on
bless
4,
you.
3, 2, 1. Fade into Dad. Dad, your line is. Did you
Bless you, Dee Dee.
Your line that you start with is it okay if I pulverize the meat?
Is it okay if I pulverize the meat?
Oh yeah, Dad, that's totally fine. You can totally do that, Dad.
Perfect. I
What
already
if
did that.
What if
That's
this
wonderful.
whole time we scripted this whole thing and it was a big joke? It's so funny. What
We're
are we
just actors.
funny? It's so
We're
funny.
just two like friends who are like, let's pretend we're gay because I have a kid.
Serious
We'll make
company.
We'll make a YouTube
But
channel.
one's got a kid. Okay, we're gonna give you a better view into Dad's kitchen right now.
Okay, this looks good.
So Dad seasons his rouse, which
No, I didn't. Okay, so I'm not somebody who pays $9 for spaghetti sauce. That is crazy. Like,
Okay,
love
okay.
you, but crazy. This
Bravo,
is
bravo,
so
bravo.
good. But this one, when we go to California, we always go get Vince's, and I'm sure some of you know that. It's a spaghetti place that's only there.
Right.
And this tastes exactly like their
Right.
sauce, but they put meat in it, and so I was like, okay, can I like pulverize the ground turkey?
But you're not seasoning the meat.
And there is no seasoning on here. So I know what this tastes like. So if I need to add a little salt because of bless you again.
Thank you, sorry.
Then I can. But
So-
nothing is in done to that meat.
Yeah, and
Literally
then-
dog food.
Did you just blow a whistle? What was that? Oh, okay. I get it now. It was the jar. So then anyways, we're having angel hair. Dad wanted linguine, but we didn't have it. And I just washed my hands with s'mores thing.
I feel like it was.
Ah! You guys, I just came up with the best saying, and if somebody already said this, that they're lying. I said it first.
The phrase is, when in doubt, shut your mouth.
It's like the new trendy updated version of Thumper, and it's like if you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all.
When in doubt, shut your mouth.
But who's got time to say all that? Tell your
do they think this?
kid. When in doubt,
You're doubting yourself?
shut
Just
your
shut
mouth.
your mouth, okay? So anyway,
Just shut your
that's
mouth.
my cool new saying. Tell everyone, Rufus, bro! She like showered for 70 minutes.
I know. She's like Uncle David.
Girls.
Okay, so in theater, we have to do memes on theater. What's it called? 1 second.
That's okay. Explain.
On theater, it's like good manners and stuff, you know?
Oh, etiquette.
Etiquette, yeah. Theater etiquette, which is like.
So they have to create a
like, yeah.
meme
So,
about theater
I said,
etiquette.
POV, the person sitting next to you in the theater is yelling, and then me.
So good.
Bombastic.
Side-eye.